Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see any private account posts on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, you'll be able to see there are a few private accounts. If you search for one like this one, as you can see, this account is currently private, and if you want to see the posts of it on your Instagram, you just need to give them a follow, and once they accept your request, then you'll be able to see the post. And then there's another way. Just search for a specific location, like I'm searching for New York. And then go to places and go to New York or whatever address you want, and then just zoom in, and then you'll be able to see the several options, several places that have people tagged in their pictures or their posts. And if you're able to see the post of that with that specific tag, then you'll be able to get to know that the private post of those people who have tagged that space or that place within their post. And yeah, this is how you can know. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.